Our GED class is a computer-based class, so a typical day has our students logging in, working on their assignments, and I'm there to assist with any help that they may need. My students generally take the GED classes as a stepping stone towards their future goals, whether it be college or military. In addition to giving educational skills to our students, we also help them prepare with life skills.
More than 800 people have received workforce and educational assistance from the Salvation Army Center of Hope through a grant from the Restore Act. The Hope Center helps individuals and families overcome the challenges of unemployment, unstable housing, and lack of education by providing assistance in resume writing, development of interview skills, GED classes, ESL classes, and transportation assistance to jobs. And at the Salvation Army Family Thrift Store, participants can redeem vouchers for clothing items that may be required for their jobs. Through Restore Act funding, many other workforce development opportunities are available across the coast at community colleges. At Pearl River Community College, the Hancock Aviation Aerospace Workforce Academy recently opened, a state-of-the-art 38,000 square foot building offering classes in these types of programs: hydrography technology, unmanned systems technology, and aviation maintenance technology. We hear from our partners at Mississippi Development Authority that having a strong workforce encourages industry to come in. Having sites that are ready for economic growth encourages industry to come in. The more of those that come in, the more high-paying jobs we have, the more impact we have to the economy. Aerospace is big on the coast, and so anything we can do to support those industries has a long-term impact on the Gulf Coast economy. Mississippi Gulf Coast Community College offers innovative workforce training programs, and because Restore Act funding provides scholarships, students attend at little to no cost. The Health Professions Center of Excellence offers classes in the health profession like emergency medical science and respiratory therapy. Several of the MGCCC campuses offer workforce training that is focused on supporting the supply chain.
The workforce training helping to meet the needs of the supply chain is also another program offered through Mississippi Gulf Coast Community College, where they offer no-cost training to individuals who want to go into the field of commercial truck driving, robotics, heavy maintenance equipment. And they provide classes to these students to help them be able to go into these industry workforce and meet the needs of the supply chain. With Restore, these projects are very crucial in that they have an opportunity to change people's lives. It has an opportunity to increase people's incomes. It has an opportunity to enhance the economy, to enhance workforce development on the coast. And this is a huge game changer, not only for the state of Mississippi, but for the Gulf Coast region. And this will help many people for generations to come.
Buccaneer State Park is one of, if not the most popular state park in the state of Mississippi. About $1 million has been allocated to that project, and mainly the focus has been on improving the campground sites, specifically to put down new camper pads with electricity, water, and utilities to really kind of improve that camping experience for patrons. That's what we're excited about, using these Restore dollars to kind of help improve on an already great public resource.
Under the NERDA, there are several restoration types, and traditionally we're funding things like oyster restoration or dolphins and turtles, the things people could see. But there's also a restoration type known as restoring recreational lost opportunities. And these are intended to fund projects that either restore direct injury or increase opportunities for the public to interact with nature in another area to restore that lost ability people had to go out and experience nature. So Clower Thornton is a project under that, which was already a park in Gulfport. We took the opportunity to go in and clear out the invasive species, redo the walking trails, and add some amenities for the public to be able to have a nice recreational space in Gulfport. From enhancing and improving state parks to offering workforce training opportunities to coastal residents, restoring and revitalizing the Gulf Coast economy is a priority for MDEQ's Office of Restoration.